Welcome to ZT classes.
So today's lecture is on soaps and detergents, and the topics we'll cover is the soap molecule, its structure, and saponification, that's making of soap, formation of scum when we are using soap in hard water. Third is detergent, how its molecules are different from soap molecules. Fourth is the cleansing action of soap molecule or detergent molecule and formation of micelle. Let's start with the structure of soap molecule. So it is long chain of carboxylic acid with sodium or potassium ions in the end. So this long chain can be of 12 to 20 carbons. Here I have taken the chain of 18 carbons. So the hydrocarbon chain that we call as hydrocarbon tail, and the head is called as ionic head because the ions are there. So the structural formula or skeletal formula for this will look like this. Now here in this particular case, the long hydrocarbon tail, this is hydrophobic, and the polar end, this is hydrophilic. तो बेटा polar end hydrophilic है, इसका मतलब है कि this is water loving or it will like to bind itself in the water. तो water आपका जो है खुद water के जो molecules है वो polar होते हैं. Polar means they have got certain positive and negative charge. So when ionic head is there, which is also having some small amount of positive and negative charge, so it likes to bind with the water. So यहाँ पर ये जो आपका soap molecule है, इसमें जो head है, this head is water loving. Now when we talk about tail में covalent bond है, there is no charge is there, so water does not like to bind with it, or we can say this tail is hydrophobic. This tail will readily attach to the oil, but it does not like to attach with water. Now let's talk about saponification, which is reaction involved in making of soap. तो soap बनती किस चीज से? Soaps are made from vegetable oils or animal fats, and all these vegetable oils and animal fats usually contains triglycerides. तो हमारी बॉडी में भी, ह्यूमन बॉडी में भी जो फैट्स है that contains triglycerides. एंड ट्राइग्लिसराइड जो स्ट्रक्चर है दैट इज ईस्टर, जहां पर 3 मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है फैटी एसिड्स के वो अल्कोहल ग्लिसरॉल से लिंक्ड है. ठीक है, अगर हम ये स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर जो ग्लिसरॉल है बेटा, दिस ग्लिसरॉल इज, जहां पर आपका जो प्रोपेन है उसमें हर कार्बन के साथ अगर आपका अल्कोहल का मॉलिक्यूल अटैच्ड है, तो यहाँ पर अगर हम O की जगह OH कर देंगे, OH, देन दिस बिकम्स अ ग्लिसरॉल. नाउ ईच H इज बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड विद 1 molecule of fatty acid, and ये जो fatty acid का molecule है that's a long chain of carboxylic acids. तो ये जो long chain of carboxylic acid है, यहाँ पर ये double bond है, this is unsaturated carboxylic acid. So this 3 fatty acids with 1 glycerol, that's together forms triglyceride, which is the basic unit for manufacturing of soap. So different oils, vegetable oils and animal fats are used for soap manufacturing. For example, in case of coconut oil, that long chain of carbon contains 12 carbon and it contains lauric acid. Same way we can use palm oil or we can use olive oil for soap manufacturing. And animal fats, for example, beef fat is used for soap manufacturing. So all these vegetable oils or animal fat, one thing common in them is they have got triglyceride. Now this triglyceride, when it is being treated with sodium hydroxide solution, caustic soda solution, then it converts into sodium salt of carboxylic acid and glycerol. तो वो जो आपका fatty acid और glycerol है, that bond breaks down, and fatty acid के जो molecules हैं वहाँ पर जो है sodium gets attached, and those are what are soap molecules and those are used for making soap. So this is triglyceride molecules are there from vegetable oils and animal fats, and this we are treating with sodium hydroxide or caustic soda, and this reaction turns into the breaking of glycerol from the fatty acid, and we get 3 molecules of soap here. This reaction is what we call as saponification. So saponification is where we are treating acid. Now this triglyceride, this is an acid, we are treating it with base. In turn we are getting salt, and those salt molecules, that is the long chain of hydrocarbon, of carboxylic acid with sodium ions attached to it. Those molecules are what are the molecules of soap. तो ये तो हमने बात की रिएक्शन की, but how practically you can make the soap at home? So the process is very easy and simple. You have to take 75 gram of caustic soda flakes and mix it carefully with 200 milliliter of water. Then you take 600 milliliter of olive oil. उसके अंदर ये जो आपने सॉल्यूशन बनाया था caustic soda flake का, उसको मिक्स करें और मिक्स करने के बाद उसको ग्राइंडर से 15 मिनट्स तक अच्छे से मिक्स करें till the emulsion is formed, it becomes thick. And this you will pour it into the tray, soap tray, leave it for 2 days till it becomes solid. Then you remove it from the tray and it's not yet ready. You have to keep it in open for 3 to 4 weeks before using it. And this is a soap available made at home. The next subtopic is scum. So before we come to scum, we should know what is hard water and soft water. So hard water is normal water with extra concentration of calcium and magnesium ions. तो जो आप वाटर यूज करते हैं, हर वाटर में कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, ये मिनरल्स होते हैं, बट समटाइम्स these are more in quantity. जो ppm है, parts per million. So if it is more than 300 parts per million, then we call it hard water. And if it is less than that, then it's called as soft water. So related to health, there is no study which supports hard water is not good for health. But when it comes to washing, then hard water is not good. We'll see it. तो hard water जो है बेटा आपका usually you will get जो आपका well का water होता है, that's hard water because it's coming underground over the limestones and the calcium deposit increases. Soft water on the other hand is जो आपका rain water है, that is a soft water. So when soap molecules are added into hard water, तो वहां पर जो है वो soap lather form करने की जगह पर they react with calcium and magnesium ions and they precipitate and form scum. So यहाँ पर जो दो cans हैं, इसमें जो first can है that is your hard water mixed with soap and second we have mixed soap in soft water. तो जो soft water है उसमें you can see this is lather is being formed. In case of hard water, जो soap molecules हैं, instead of forming the lather they are forming scum. So this picture makes clear what the scum looks like. तो थोड़ा सा scum that is always formed है ना, we have talked some amount of calcium and magnesium is always there in water, but if this concentration increases then the scum formation increases and instead of forming the lather scum is getting formed. Let's see the reaction related to the scum formation. It's a simple reaction is there. जो आपका soap molecule है that is of sodium ion, तो ये water में soap molecule when it is put it comes into ionic form. So you have got carboxylic acid ion is there plus sodium ions are there. This soap molecule ion when it reacts with calcium ion, then this salt formed, this is not dissolvable in water और ये precipitate कर जाता है and this precipitate is what we call as scum. Same reaction goes with magnesium molecules. तो scum से हमें problem क्यों है? क्योंकि जो soap molecule है cleansing action की जगह पर it is forming the precipitate and scum and soap is getting wasted and cleansing action जो है वो हमारा reduce हो रहा है, ठीक है. प्लस ये जो scum formed हुआ है this scum sticks to the different material. Even if clothes are used, आप extra soap use करके जो है then you are trying to wash clothes, this scum will stick to the clothes and this problem is solved by using detergents. Detergents के केस में this scum does not get formed. तो एक बार detergents की भी बात करते हैं कि भाई ये detergents how they are different. केस में scum जो है वो फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है. So जो detergents हैं chemically they are same sodium salt but instead of carboxylic acid they are sodium salts of sulfonic acid. ठीक है, जो सल्फोनिक एसिड है वो आपका SO3H ग्रुप है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड COOH ग्रुप है. तो यहाँ पर सेम लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन इज देयर बट इंस्टेड ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप इन द एंड you have got sulfonic group is there at the end. Rest everything is same about the molecule. Okay? So this long chain of carbon can be of 12 to 20 carbon long chain and this hydrocarbon tail, this is again same, this is, it repels water, and this ionic head, this is what is attracting towards the water. तो डिटर्जेंट्स दो कैटेगरी में हमने डिवाइड किया है. वन इज नेचुरल डिटर्जेंट जो कि बायोडिग्रेडेबल भी हैं, सोपी भी हैं, देन दे आर मेड फ्रॉम एनिमल फैट एंड वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स. और यूजुअली जो आपको मार्केट में जो डिटर्जेंट्स मिलते हैं, सो दोज आर सिंथेटिक डिटर्जेंट मेड फ्रॉम पेट्रोलियम. उस केस में जो लेदर फॉर्म नहीं होता है, प्लस दे आर नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. सोप एंड डिटर्जेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के आयोनिक हेड डिफरेंट है, बट अदरवाइज द क्लिनजिंग एक्शन इज सेम फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. तो आपका जो मॉलिक्यूल है उसमें देयर इज अ हाइड्रोफोबिक हाइड्रोकार्बन टेल इज देयर एंड हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड इज देयर. दिस इज द आयोनिक हेड इज देयर. तो जो आपका हाइड्रोफोबिक टेल है दैट गेट्स अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द ग्रीस और डर्ट मॉलिक्यूल. उस ग्रीस और डर्ट मॉलिक्यूल में आपका जो टेल है वो इनवर्ट स्टिक करेगा and the head will be outward towards the water, and then the structure, the spherical structure which is getting formed because of the sticking of soap molecule around the grease, this structure is what we call as micelle. Let's see the cleansing action again. तो आपका जो surface है, this surface can be of surface of clothes or surface of some object you want to clean with grease and dirt on top, and this is being put into a soap or detergent solution. तो soap or detergent solution में these molecules are going around. अब इन molecules में the heads are ionic, they like water, but the hydrocarbon tail, this is hydrophobic and it's repelled by water. So when it's getting repelled by water, this hydrocarbon tail will start embedding into the grease part. तो ये ग्रीस मॉलिक्यूल में जब आपका हाइड्रोकार्बन टेल एम्बेड हो रहा है, तो ग्रीस मॉलिक्यूल दिस साइज इज बिकमिंग बिगर. ऑल्सो जो आयोनिक हेड्स हैं, दिस आयोनिक हेड्स आर आउटवर्ड, ये बाहर की तरफ है, एंड दिस गेट्स अट्रैक्टेड बाय वाटर एंड इन टर्न दिस आर गेटिंग पुल्ड बाय द वाटर. प्लस यू आर स्क्रबिंग द clothes or the object, so these grease particles are getting dislodged easily now. तो जैसे ही आपका ग्रीस या डर्ट का जो पार्ट है इट्स गेटिंग डिसलॉज्ड फ्रॉम द सरफेस, तो जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ ग्रीस है वहां पर भी सोप मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग एम्बेडेड, है ना. हाइड्रोकार्बन जो टेल है दैट्स इनसाइड द ग्रीस एंड आउटसाइड यू हैव गॉट आयंस आर देयर. And once it's fully dislodged, it is totally covered by the hydrocarbon tail inside and ions outside. और ये जो सोप मॉलिक्यूल या डिटर्जेंट मॉलिक्यूल ने जो डर्ट पार्टिकल को पूरा कवर किया है, दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज माइसेल. एंड ये जो माइसेल है यहाँ पर देखेंगे तो आउटवर्ड यू हैव गॉट आयोनिक हेड्स आर देयर विच इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज. सो ईच माइसेल इज बेसिकली नेगेटिवली चार्ज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड दे रिपेल ईच अदर. क्योंकि वो एक दूसरे को रिपेल कर रहे हैं, दे डोंट कम टुगेदर एंड फॉर्म अ एग्रीगेशन. ठीक है, तो ये जो डर्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं जो डिसलॉज हुए हैं फ्रॉम द क्लॉथ, दे रिमेन सस्पेंडेड इन वाटर बिकॉज ऑफ माइसेल. दे डोंट सेटल बैक ऑन द सरफेस एंड दे डोंट एग्रीगेट एंड फॉर्म अ बिग मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्रीस और डर्ट. सो दिस इज हाउ soap or detergent molecule clean the grease or dirt. So these suspended molecules of soap or detergent, their tail will start getting embedded into the grease or dirt surface, and when you are scrubbing it off, plus जो आपके जो ionic heads हैं, they get pulled by the water, so this dirt start getting lifted off from the surface, and as it gets lifted off from the surface, more soap or detergent molecules gets embedded and more they get pulled by the water, and then they easily get dislodged from the surface. जब वो dislodge हो रहे हैं तो जो आपका soap और detergent molecules हैं, they are surrounding it from all the sides, forming the micelle, and this micelle remains suspended in the water, and the clothes or the surface is free from the dirt and grease.